You already know my jerk sauce that I make. I make my jerk sauce from scratch.
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah. So this is the way I'm gonna do my jerk pork. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that look, it don't charge for to touch the notice button and tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
Tell a friend.
And press the like button, guys, and leave a
Press
comment.
up, leave comments below. Please and thank you. Please and thank you.
Your voice.
Yes, it's having a little cold, so that's the reason why. So just like up the channel. Like it up. Aunty Clair, wicked. Touch piece of my pork.
Joke.
Delicious. Dilly lily. God bless channel.